In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your notes disappear on your iPhone. So whether you just can't find the application or there's certain notes that have disappeared from the actual app itself, then I'm going to show you a few troubleshooting steps that we can take to fix this issue. So first of all, if the Notes app is just completely disappeared from your phone and you can't see the application at all, then what you need to do is just drag down the screen with your finger to bring up the search bar. And then from here, we're just going to search for Notes. Now, if you can see the Notes app in this list, it may be that you've just deleted the Notes shortcut. However, if you see the Notes underneath the App Store, it may be that you've deleted the application entirely, in which case you'll need to head over to the App Store on your phone, and then from here, you can just re-download the Notes app. Now, if it's actually individual notes themselves that are missing from your iPhone, then what you'll need to do to fix this is head over to the Settings app on your phone, and then you need to click on your profile name at the very top of the screen. Then click on iCloud, and from here you need to select Notes. Now, as you can see, at the moment I currently have syncing turned on, so I'm just going to disable this option like so, and then select Delete from my iPhone. Now, don't worry, this isn't going to permanently delete your notes. You'll be able to get these back shortly. And the next thing we're going to do is head back over to the home screen on your phone, and you're just going to delete the Notes app by holding down on the application and selecting Remove App, and confirm by pressing Delete App. So once you've deleted the Notes application, you'll then need to reinstall it by heading over to the App Store on your phone. Using the search box, type in Notes. And then from here, you can just reinstall the application to your device. So once you've reinstalled the Notes app, you then need to head back over to the settings icon. Once again, click on your profile icon, select iCloud, and once again, select Notes. Now from here, we just need to re-enable syncing this iPhone. So toggle this option back on. And then now if we head back over to the Notes app on your phone, all of your previous notes should have now reappeared, and that should have fixed any disappearing notes you were experiencing. If you've accidentally deleted a note from here, what we can do is click on the Folders tab at the top left of the screen, and you'll have this folder labeled Recently Deleted. Now, any notes that you've deleted will end up in this folder, and this is another place that you can check for missing or disappearing notes. And that's it, guys. Hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now got the notes back on your iPhone. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.